Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It was my birthday a few days ago, and I got a lot of gifts, and I'm unboxing one of my gifts. Part 1, because I'm gonna unbox a lot of my gifts. Okay, this is called All About Squish Collection. As you can see, a lot of nice stuff. Let's see what's here. There's a plush character pouch. Sticky notepad. 35 Deluxe. Whatever that is. I don't know what I'm saying, but there's a lot of stuff, and there's 1,200 stickers. In my last video, in one of my videos, I unboxed 200 stickers, and that's a lot of stickers right now. And I'm gonna get a lot of new stickers, and let's get into it. Do not try this at home, just like in my video. I said that. Where should I open it? Maybe here. Whoa. Oh. I did not. Oh yeah, that worked. I was not expecting that to work. Oh yeah. Let's review the inside. Whoa. That was kind of hard. Oh my god. I did not know this was going to be there. This was going to be there. That's a lot of stickers, you can see. Oh, there's a warning. We don't need to read that. Just stop sticking. This over here. See what there is. Time to use the scissors. Scissors again. There's so much tape. Finally, you don't have to use the scissors. Oh! This is now satisfying. This is a Squishmallow clipboard. Oh, what is this? Oh, there's paper in here. But it's a Squishmallow clipboard, and this is, what is this? I don't know, but it's a notepad and write notes. It comes with 3 Squishmallow tapes, as you can see. What's this? Oh no. These are sharp Squishmallows notepads. I'm gonna try this one. That's a messed up one. And oh, there's a book. Oh, so soft. Wow. This is a journal. Oh,
Daddy.
so. Okay, let's see these now. Oh yeah,
Bookmark.
there's that too. Wait, is there wax? Oh yeah. Okay, let's get into this now. Oh, this is so nice. This is a duck Squishmallow pouch. You can put some things in here. This is really cool. It's really fluffy. Oh, yeah. There's a Squishmallow mechanical pencil. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gel pens. I'll open that later. My mom opened this, which is the camera lady. And this is the black one. This is the white one. This is the green one. This is the yellow one. And this is the blue one. And this is a paper clip. And it has a Squishmallow. And there's another one. cat one. This is the same. This is the same guy. This is the same duck as this one. That is cool. Get into this. These are 3 jumbo squishmallow stickers. This is a squishmallow pad journal, and I haven't looked into this one. This is a problem. Stickers are coming off. I hate the tape. Okay, there's these stickers. More pages of Squishmallows stickers. Oh, look at this one. I like this one. These are cool, and this is all I got, and let me see, what is this? Let me see, what is this?
These are puffy stickers. Deluxe puffy stickers.
Oh, these were the puffy stickers. Okay, these are the puffy stickers. We got all of this. Oh yeah, I want to show you all of these squishes. And I'm going to put all of these pencils in here. And this. But, let's see. But thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Wait, why did I have a hard time saying that? I don't know why, but thanks for watching. Bye.